2022 bean harvest setup. 4850 with a 5500 Parker and international semi truck with a what was that, Tempe grain trailer. And then we got it's a Case MX 240 pulling the catch cart. It's a John Deere 650. And now all the way down there, my dad's running the 1688 axle flow combine. This is our last field of beans. These, I don't know what it is about this field, but this field's always weedy. For beans. Does all right in corn, but this top part here is super sandy. We're actually switching over to no-tilling this top part, and down here, I don't know, it used to be a creek bed or something, but this grows down past this hill grows pretty good. But just super weedy.